Ethan!
We played a little bit better on practice, and it helped us a lot.
At what point in the game today did you feel like you had a game won?
I felt like we were gonna win from the first start we got here. Our practice last Friday really gave us a lot of stuff to think about and work on in this game, which made it a lot funner and a better experience. Our trainer, he's very good with training us.
So we put you through some training and taught you some things and you were able to apply it today?
He was right, that did help us get a lot of goals. We just did better passing. Yeah, we just did better passing and better at keeping, aiming and shooting. And aiming and shooting and scoring.
Everything just seemed to come together for you.
Yeah.